Innovation Center South is currently 15 acres of undeveloped property in a prime location of the county in the Drainesville district. Ultimately, the Metro will bring a station here that will serve this community. Together, Fairfax County and the private developer, Rox Engineering, are able to combine efforts to establish a transit-oriented development and a multi-use development that will take it from undeveloped as it is in its current state and end up with really a place where people can work and live and play. And there's just about everything you can think of to do, you'll be able to do on this site at this location. The groundbreaking was monumental for this location and this project. As we kick off the development, we really worked to bring the entire community into the fold. Everyone was welcome here today and invited to attend. We had a great turnout, and we were very happy to see the chairman of the board, Sharon Bulova, as well as supervisors Faust and Hudgens were here to speak as well. Along with the private developer, Michael Rox was here from Rox Engineering. And it really shows how we've come together in our public-private partnership. It shows that multi-jurisdictions are all working together. And for everyone to show up here today, it was a celebration, and I think everyone's really ready to see things get started this summer.